Hello everyone, out today, me and Nat, just having a little walk into town, a few things to get, that's all. Just going to see what happens actually. Hello Bab.
Hello.
She's got the Wanderer look, she's got your hat on mate, that you give me.
It's not so warm,
She
I've
loves
nicked it. It's mine now.
She pinched it. Bless
Keep
her.
my ears warm.
Keeping her ears warm. Bless her. Suits her though. Suits her. I do a bit of vlog, see what happens and that. But when I was out with the Wanderer on my last video, I saw a menu or something and it interested me. I'm going to get a menu and I might cook it at home. But I'll show you anyway. And I'll leave a link to the Wanderer's channel down below if you haven't watched it yet. But this menu looked very interesting. So, we'll see.
That's intriguing.
It is intriguing. Hello.
Hello. I've already said hello to everyone. Good morning, afternoon, evening.
There you go. See you in a minute. Yeah, there's a cafe down there. I'll tell you what, it's damn fine, this cafe's down here, you know. I'll tell you. It's absolutely right, damn fine cafe. Let me show you where it is. It's just amazing. Let me show you. It's damn fine. There it is, look. The damn fine cafe. Damn fine. This is where I'm going to go in and get a menu. Got the menu. The damn fine cafe. To be honest with you, the reviews I've seen online was absolutely superb. There's a recipe on there which I'm going to try. I'll show you in a bit.
Right, I'm making old food guy get his wallet out. Can you see him just there, tapping on the window at me? I'm going to buy me a coffee and a donut, so I'm going off to enjoy that. So I'll see you all in a bit.
Donuts.
You have a donut?
It's her favourites. Hello, Steve. How are you, mate? You coming in here? Do you want to come on video? No? Don't want to come on? There's Steve. He doesn't want to come on. Bless him. See him every single time we're in town. So, hello, Steve.
Hello, hello.
You're not, mate, don't worry.
It's alright,
Yeah.
I don't mind.
Yeah, Steve's in a wheelchair. Bless him. Bless his soul.
Yeah, go on.
Do you want me to go and get you a cup of tea?
Want to drink tea or coffee?
Have a good tea.
Okay, we're going to get you one. Going to get Steve a drink. But anyway, we have to pay some bills. Ain't we, Bab? You and pay some bills. And I'll show you this menu thing when we get home. Show you what I'm going to do. Right, everybody, we're back home. So I'm going to show you this menu now. Right, it's called, so it's a damn fine cafe. And I'm going to do a breakfast toad in the hole. I've never had a breakfast in a toad in the hole before. Well, it's not toad in the hole, it'll be giant Yorkshire pudding. So it's 2 bacon, 2 sausage, 2 hash browns, beans, mushrooms and a fried egg, served with a giant Yorkshire pudding. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to make my own Yorkshire pudding. I'm going to see what happens. I've been to the shop and I've got all the ingredients. So, here's all my ingredients. Got myself some back bacon. It doesn't say what bacon to use, so I just got back bacon. Some Cumberland sausages. Some beans. Some mushrooms. Some hash browns from Aldi. And obviously some eggs. So first things first, I've got the oven warming up. I want to get some fat in, I'm going to use my lard. Get some lard in the pan to get it hot for the Yorkshire puddings. Right, so I'm going to get my lard in my pan. I've never done one in here before, so I don't know what they're going to be like. I'm going to find out anyway. So that's me, why not? And I don't even know how much lard to put in this because obviously I haven't used it before. So I'm going to put a little bit more, just a little bit more. That'll do. I'll try that, I'll get that in the oven, 220 degrees. Get it all melted and boiling hot. Now I've got 2 eggs, I usually have 3. But obviously this isn't going to be a massive one, so I'm just doing 2. I'm just going to half my usual ingredients. Otherwise you're just going to waste otherwise. So this is my flour cup that I use for my Yorkshires. I want half of this. I usually have a full one, but I'm having half today. Good enough. As long as I have enough the same milk, it should be okay. Same amount of milk. There we go. Right, I'm going to add my eggs, my 2 eggs. There you go, get them in. I'm going to get that a quick whisk first. My budget whisk. That's done. Now just start adding your milk, drop at a time. And just mix till you get a batter. Done. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Now I want to leave that for 20 minutes, half an hour. Out of the way. It's always best to leave your batter mix, just leave it to stand for a bit. Well, it's been in about 20-25 minutes now to get hot. Hopefully it's hot enough. I think I put enough oil in. We'll find out. Get it in, pour it in. I think I've just done enough as well. Right, straight back in the oven. And if you don't know about Yorkshire puds, do not open the oven. At least 25 minutes. At least. Right, and while they're doing, I'm going to prepare the rest of the stuff. So I want 2 sausages. I'm going to do my sausages and my bacon and my hash browns. I'm going to do them in my air fryer. Because what I don't want to happen is I have to keep opening the oven to check. Otherwise the Yorkshire pudding won't rise, it'll be flat. So I'm going to put 2 sausages on here. I don't know how long, I don't think I've done sausages in this air fryer. So I'm not sure how long it'll take, maybe 10-15 minutes I suppose, I'm not sure. I'm going to get them in. I know bacon don't take long, about 5 or 6 minutes, so they're going to go in when they're halfway done. And I think they must only take about 7 or 8 minutes as well. So I'll get them in the air fryer first. Right, the sausages are cooking. We're getting there, so I'm going to whack the bacon in now. Let's get the bacon on. Two bacon, I think it says. And plus I'll get the juices off the bacon for the sausage as well. Put 1 each side. Wash my ends. Right, they're going back in now, and I'm going to put the what they're called, them there. What are they? Hash browns, that's the ones. I'm going to put them on the top rack. And these are all going on the bottom, obviously. This will be about 7 or 8 minutes. How's the Yorkshire getting on? Getting big now, getting big. Right, I'm going to warm me pan up now for me. For my egg, I've got my beans in my pot. Right, that's warmed up now, put some oil in it. I've just put my beans on. I'm going to get my mushrooms in first. I'm going to do them before my egg. It's all going in the same oil anyway, so. And I like my mushrooms quite well done. I was going to use butter, but I thought I'd just use oil. I just want to see what it all tastes like together with the Yorkshire. I'm hoping it tastes nice. The Yorkshire pudding's looking lovely. Right, the sausages and the bacon's done. I'm going to get that out. 1 sausage, 2 sausage, couple of bacon, like so. Hash browns will be a couple of minutes. I'm going to get my egg on very last. Beans are done. I'm going to get my egg on very last. I want to wait for the Yorkshire to do. Mushrooms are done. Oops, get the camera then. I like my mushrooms a bit like this. Oh yes. Maybe another minute or so for the mushrooms. Getting the mushrooms out now. Lovely. Coming on now, look, coming on. We're getting there. So beans are done. Now we've got the hash browns are done. I'll get them out. Oh yes. Yorkshire. Oh, it's looking very nice. I'm going to get the egg on now then. Yorkshire's got to come out in a second. So get the egg on doing nicely. See if I can do it without breaking it. Little bit of pepper on the egg. I like a little bit of pepper on my egg. Right, now I'm going to dish up while that's cooking. Right, I'm going to have a look at the Yorkshire. It looks done. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Look at that beauty. Right, let's dish up then. There we go. It stuck a little bit at the bottom, which was a shame. But I've got it anyway in the end now. I don't know how to put it all in, so I'm just going to pile it in. A few hash browns on the side. I'll put the mushrooms on top of the egg, I think. Let's get the egg on top. So we don't drop it. Don't drop it. There we go. There's the egg. Oh yes, ain't that looking good? Some beans now. Oh yes. And some mushrooms. Oh, well, looking forward to this. So, what do we think? Yorkshire pudding breakfast. Oh, I can't wait to tuck into this one. I literally can't wait to tuck into it. Right, taste test time. So what do you think? Hey, I've had to sit up the table because I've got it everywhere otherwise. It looks nice, doesn't it? Looks stunning. Oh yes. Get you a closer look. I apologise about the light, the sun's shining through. Don't know if you can see that properly. But oh yes. Oh yes. So I never had one of these before. Look at the Yorkshire, banging in it. Bit of sauce, brown sauce on it. No, not getting me head in there, are you? There we go. Oh, let's start. And where should we start? Where should we start? Let's start at the beginning. Take a bit of Yorkshire. I know these are good because I always make them Yorkshires anyway, so let's get it on some beans and that. Let's have a pile on. Oh yes. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's get a bit more. Let's get a bit of everything. Let's get a proper taste. A bit all together. Let me know if you've had one of these before. If you've done one, I've never done one. Ever. I never even thought of doing one. That's superb. I wouldn't eat it every day. The calories in that. But that is superb. I've never ever thought of doing that before in my life. Ever. I don't know why I never thought of that. Hash brown. Try the sausage with it. A bit of egg. A bit of Yorkshire. That is superb. Honest to God, that's really nice. Now my next plan, I'm cooking down and I do apologise. No, my next plan, next time I'm in town, I'm going to get to the cafe and have one, see if it's as good as that. Because that is banging. Absolutely banging. And then I'll take a picture of the both and compare. But that is superb. Unless I can find a picture online somewhere, I'll have to have a look. See if I've got one online. But there we go anyway. Yorkshire pudding. Full English. Brilliant. As I say, I am the old food guy. I'm going to eat it now, not all of it. I'll probably eat a quarter of that. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye.